Hey everyone, so we're going to start with a Google Doc. So I put a Google Doc together for you as how to edit your website, and it should be shared with you. So I'm going to start at the top. It says start here. You're going to go ahead and click on the link, and it's going to take you to the new page. And this is the back door to get into the website. It is hidden, so it is not commonly known where it is to help keep hackers and spammers out. So if you happen to have LastPass loaded on your browser, this is a Chrome browser, it'll automatically populate the username and password for you, and you just click on login. And now we're in the back end of the website, and you can see up top we got Unitel Inc. You can visit the site, you can create a new page or post, and then we have our SEO analytics up here. Also here is a snippet of the analytics from Google. SEO is, the analytics is pulled off a Google site and displayed here. And then over here you have your pages, your posts, your media, comments that people may leave, projects we're not using. RM location is your schema data for your SEO, and then we have all our SEO tools over here. What I want to go to today is I'm going to go to pages. So these are all the pages on the website: About Us, Connect, Grandstream, Home, and the alike down here. So I'm going to pick on Grandstream here, and you can either click on the name or you can click on edit and it'll take you there. If you click on quick edit, it'll show you some of the metadata that you can adjust if you wish. But we're just going to do edit today, and that takes us to this page. So this is the back end building section of that page, and it looks very similar to a post, except for it doesn't have the categories and the tags and all that fun stuff that's over there. And then pages can be have attributes and can be nested, and we can add forms, but in this one we're not doing any of that. And in here you have the Grandstream image, and then over here you can have the Grandstream text, and you click on the gear and it'll take you to the edit part. If you're not seeing the second line down here, you need to click on toggle the toolbar so it shows up. And then you can change anything you want in here. You can add links, you can change a background image. In the admin, we're designing here, we can actually control the CSS from here, change our fonts, text, sizing, and all that. And then we have our advanced customs over here. So if you needed to advance stuff over there, you can do that. So I'm going to X out of here because I didn't make any changes. But if you did make a change, it would say update, or you can preview the changes and go from there. So then further down, we have our SEO tool. It's called Rank Math Pro. And right now I've got the keyword as Grandstream being in there. And right now we're at a score of 82. So if you look up here, this is your snippet. Your snippet is what Google would display if your website came up in one of their searches. And if we wanted to change this, we could come up here and edit the snippet. So we could edit the title, we could edit the permanent link, and we edit the description. And it will let you know if your title or your description is too long or too short. So the maximum for description is 160 characters. And if you want to add a keyword, you can go down here. And down here we have our basic SEO. And right now it's giving us all checks except for the content. The content is 75 words long, and they're considering it should be at least 600 words. And then additional SEO, we can go down here. Our focus keyword is set. Our density is a little high because our content is too low. And then the title readability is fine, but the title doesn't include a number. That's not a big deal. And then the readability, they want us to add a table of contents to the text. It really doesn't fit for this page, so we're not going to roll with it. So once you got that all set, you can hit the update, make the update, and you can scroll up to the top here, and you can right click on this link and it'll take you to that page, and you can see that page load, and you can see all your changes then.